Hello everybody, new kit on Etsy, and seems to have been forever since I've put one up there, so I thought I would do one. I do mine 11 by 8 1/4, so if you use US letter, they'll, uncheck the box that says, fit to page, okay, because then it will print on yours, no problem. And I do like that because sometimes I feel, like I've said before, that it's too wide, for the height when I look at a journal page. So I sort of pulled it in a little bit. So when I see that, that's more balanced for me as a journal. So yeah, I've done this one, so it could be the, front page, of your signature or something like that. So that's just a repeat of another one, but I just flipped it around. So you'll see that again in a minute, but the other way around. I picked these flowers come out. I liked them. So to be honest, they're quite autumnal looking at them, but yeah, I think I just loved the colours, so I went with it. What happens with me. I have no set sort of thing to do, really. I just like to play, and then we'll see what happens. Right, yeah, so that's that page the other way around. Okay, so that'll go like that in your journal. So it's a big kit. It's 23 pages. Okay, and like that one, I doubled that one over, and then that's, like that. So it's, some of them are quite busy, and then others I've left, where you can add your own things. And I've incorporated a bit of grunge with it as well. One of the background papers is quite grungy actually, but I find them useful. That's all I can say. And I have incorporated some of this colour because sometimes you need to break up the flowers. Well, I do. Some people put them together and it looks fabulous. I feel I need a break for my eyes just to actually see what's going on. But again, that's, maybe just me. That's there, and that's just a line page. So when that's over there, you can do a bit of journaling on the back. That's that one. Oh, and I've incorporated some some butterflies as well. Yeah, so it's mainly iris, roses, and daisies. So those are my favourite flowers. So this is why, this has happened, really. I'm not sure what that one is. Is it a petunia, maybe? I don't know. It's not a daisy anyway. And another one. Right, and this is upside down. And that one's upside down. These are the sort of grungy backgrounds, okay, which separate from the other pages, so which I would use. So that one there. I love this. And then I took sort of that flower out of that and used that on top of there. And I quite like that. It looks a bit funny when you look at it as a whole page, but when it's, when you would use it cut up or folded, it looks okay. Yeah, I think because, I don't know, just, like I say, when it's folded, it's fine. And then this is the real grungy page. Yeah, I just added that in as a extra, really, but good for printing on the back or the inside of your envelopes, anything like that, which can look quite nice. And then 2 envelopes. Okay. And then some journal cards. There. There's some more journal cards, actually. I think that's at the back. Here we go. There's those. Then I think there's 3 pages of the large tags. Yeah. Actually, there might be 4, because I think there's a plain. Yeah, there is. There's that one. So it's 4 pages of tags. Did go a bit mad on the tags. And that one. So any of these incorporate in any of your other journals, to be honest, because, I do need them. When I'm doing journals sometimes, I'm looking around for just something plain-ish. And here's some journal cards, but they are landscape. Yep. So they can be used as pockets and things like that if you want. And I've done some jumbo tickets, a few stamps and everything with all the images that I've used. So there. And then big page of tickets. Yeah. Everything should blend together, and then use a bit of contrast, you know, with some plain backgrounds, and make a nice journal. I think I might make one out of that actually once I finish this other thing I'm doing. Okay, right then, so that's it. So this is the video I put up on, you know, on Etsy, so make it look a bit neater. There we go. Yeah, definitely orange is coming through on that, so you could make that spring light, no problem at all. Okay, thank you very much everybody then, and speak to you soon. Bye.